Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Factors. This is Ishika here to explain the question number 22 of chapter 5, exercise 5.1 of NCERT book of class 12. So here the question is, discuss the continuity of cosine, cosecant, secant and cotangent function. In this video, we done the cosine and cosecant continuity. Okay. In the next video we complete the secant and cotangent function. So here first we find the cosine, which is also called cos x. So here to discuss any continuity, we have to be sure that LHL is equals to RHL is equals to the function. So here first we find the left hand limit of this function, which is cos x. So first we find the left hand limit, LHL limit x tends to c negative cos x, limit h tends to 0 cos into c minus h. Here we open the formula of cos a minus b by trigonometric function. So here the formula is cos c cos h plus sin c sin h. We know that now we put the value of h, which is 0. So cos c into cos 0 plus sin c into sin 0. We know that sin 0 is equals to 0 and cos 0 is equals to 1. So here the answer is cos c. So we find the left hand limit. Now the turn for the right hand limit of a function cos x. So limit x tends to c positive cos x, limit h tends to 0 cos into c plus h. Here we open the formula of cos a plus b. Here formula is cos c cos h minus sin c sin 0 sin h. Here we put the value of h, which is 0. So here is cos c cos 0 minus sin c into sin 0. We know that sin 0 is equals to be 0 and cos 0 is equals to be 1. So here the answer is cos c. Now the turn for the function fx is equals to cos x and fc is equals to cos c. Here LHL is equals to RHL is equals to the function. So this function is continuous at any constant integer. Now the second one is fx is equals to cosecant, which is cosec x, which is also equals to 1 upon sin x. So here first we find the left hand limit of this function, LHL limit x tends to c negative 1 upon sin x. So limit h tends to 0 1 upon sin into c minus h. Here we open the formula of sin a minus b. Here is limit h tends to 0 1 upon sin c cos h minus cos c sin h. Limit, here we put the value of h is equals to 0. So here 1 upon sin c cos 0 minus cos c sin 0, and we know that sin 0 is equals to be 0 and this is equals to be 1 as cos 0 value is equals to 1. So here the answer is 1 upon sin c, which is also called cosec c. So next turn for the right hand limit of the function cosec x, limit x tends to c positive 1 upon sin into c plus h. Here limit h tends to 0. Here we open the formula of sin a plus b, which is sin c cos h plus cos c into sin h. Here we put the value of h, which is 0 1 upon sin c into cos 0 plus cos c into sin 0. We know that sin 0 is equals to be 0 and cos 0 is equals to be 1. So the answer is 1 upon sin c, which is cosec c. Now the turn for the fx of this function cosec x. Fx is equals to 1 upon sin x. Here Fc is equals to 1 upon sin c. Here LHL is equals to the RHL is equals to the function. So this function is continuous at any constant integer. It is continuous. So in this video we'll done the first and second one, which is cosec function and cosecant function. In the next video we'll done the next two functions. Thank you guys. Please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel Maths Practice. Thank you.